Hello mga kapatid, kamusta kayong lahat dito? Sana kayong lahat nasa mabuting kalagayan. So ang reading natin ngayon is ano ang gusto mong o ano ang gustong sabihin ng iyong spirito, ang iyong kaluluwa, your soul. What is your soul is trying to tell you? Kasi minsan, parang nawawala tayo sa landas and your soul has been trying to communicate with you. Yeah. So siguro minsan parang nagtataka ka na ano ba nangyayari sa akin? Parang bakit may pakiramdam ako na may kailangan akong ma-achieve? It's because your soul is trying to communicate with you. So anong ibig sabihin ng or ano ang gusto iparating ng iyong kaluluwa, your spirit, yourself, your inner knowing. Okay? Let's get the communication. Mas maganda na malaman natin yung mga senyales, ano? Maybe we've been getting signs and hindi mo maintindihan kahit sa panaginip. And you need to communicate. Kailangan talaga na konektado tayo sa sarili natin, sa ating sariling kaluluwa, sa ating kaluluwa mismo, no? Yeah. Kasi minsan, we're being blinded with the material things. So this is the moment to find out what is your soul is trying to tell you, trying to tell you. Okay. Spirit guide angels, ano ang gustong iparating ng ating viewers ng kanilang mga sarili, ang kanilang mga kaluluwa, their spirits, their souls. Okay. Talking, communication, interested, conversing more, awaited message, arrived, text, call, email, hovering. If you are looking for, so your soul is trying to tell you, kapatid, communicate. Kailangan mo nang magkipag-communicate. Communication is the key to achieve your goal. No? It's kung sabihin natin na kailangan mo ng trabaho, hindi lang sa check store to store, friends, try to do online. Check online through social media. Use your communication skills kasi meron kang galing when it comes to your communications. And these are the idea, one of the idea from your soul, from yourself, inner knowing. Kunin nyo lang kung saan ka nakakasunit, ha? Kung anong ibig kong sabihin dito. Ito yung tulong niya or idea niya para sa'yo to use your communication, your skills. Makipag-communicate ka. Okay? Kailangan mo ng amoso rin na kung wala kang oras na manood ng mga social media, kung hindi ka naglalagay ng oras para dyan, maybe naman sometime, magbigay ka naman ng oras. Kahit sa mga balita, makikibalita ka through social media. Yeah. Para may alam ka naman sa mundo. Hindi lang focus ka sa pamilya mo, focus ka sa trabaho mo. Maglagay ka rin ng oras through social media para magkaroon ka ng kaalaman, knowledge, komunikasyon, para continue pa rin yung komunikasyon mo sa pamilya through social media. Sa mga kaibigan mo, even sa trabaho, check online. Sa social media, baka malay mo, meron din kasi marami na through social media listed through social media yung mga trabaho, business online. Use that platform, no? Through social media. Okay? Para magkaroon ka ng awareness din when it comes to surroundings. Yeah. I'm also getting like, maybe you are shutting down yourself from social media. But then again, try to do something else. Huwag mong i-shut down yung sarili mo sa social media. And kung meron naman ditong, wala naman akong alam sa social media kung paano gamitin yan. No, it's not just that. Papatulong ka. And the universe, see, your spirit guide or your spirit or ang spirito mo, ang kaluluwa mo mismo ang nagbibigay ng idea. Maybe that's why you are drawn. Ano bang gagawin ko sa cellphone ko, sa computer? Kaya nga nagkaroon ka ng gadgets para magkaroon ka ng communication. from friends, social media, makikibalita ka, hindi lang sa pagmamarites, but your spirit, your soul, yourself, is communicating with you through these gadgets, TV, computer, phone. Kasi minsan, pagka nanonood na ng TV, or sa social media, sa YouTube, nagkakaroon tayo ng idea. Para ito yung sila ay, or say, your spirit is giving you a communication through this platform, these gadgets, para mabigyan ka ng idea. Kaya nga minsan pagka nasa social media ka, nagkakaroon ka ng idea, oy wow, maganda to ah. Nagkakaroon ka ng knowledge. Because your spirit, yourself, is giving you this help, yung tulong, idea. And that's why you need to pay attention to this. Pakinggan mo ang sarili mo. Because your spirit self, your soul, yung sarili na mismo, ikaw na mismo yung sarili mo, your soul is been trying to talk to you through social media, through the screen of the gadgets. Sa text message, nakikipag-communicate sila sa iyo para magkaroon ka ng knowledge, or ano ba yung hinihiling mo? Ano ba yung pinoproblema mo? And your soul is trying to talk to you, communicate with you through your computer, through your gadgets, cell phone, social media. Okay? Email. Alright. What else, Spirit Guide Angels? Ang dami na nating mensahe na kukuha para sa iyo, kapatid. Kung anong mensahe ang binibigay sa iyo ng iyong soul, yung spirito, ang sarili mong self, your spirit, your own spirit. Okay, yung iyong kaluluwa. Kasi minsan, di ba, pagka may ginagawa tayo, parang bang we have a gut feeling. And that's why you need to pay attention to that. Yeah. Because your soul has been trying to communicate with you, giving you an idea through social media, text message, emails. Yeah. And pay attention to that. Kasi this is for your own good din naman. No? What else, Spirit Guide Angels? The Sword of Rose, clarity, truth, revelation, solidarity, force, honor, protection, and power. So, yeah, your soul is trying to give you your success. Revenge. I'm also getting like revenge. Maybe you are seeking revenge because you want clarity. Dahil naghahanap ka ng clarity. Yeah. Yung katotohanan. You are seeking for the truth. And your spirit, your own self, your own soul, has been trying to communicate with you. Yeah. Pay attention sa mga nakikinig nyo sa radyo, music. Yeah. You need to listen to yourself, kapatid. Okay? Because you will be getting the clarity that you are seeking for. And then, kung gusto mo ng revenge, yeah, your soul is helping you to do the revenge, your success, na makatayo ka muli, na mahanap mo yung trabaho hinahanap mo. Yeah. Okay? What else, Spirit Guide Angels? Pasensya na guys kung nakakarinig kayo ng maingay na boses. Meron kasi nagko-construct dito sa labas ng bahay namin. Okay, what else, Spirit Guide Angels? Ano pa ang mensahe ng kanilang soul, their spirit, their own spirit self? What else, Spirit Guide Angels? Ano pa ang mensahe? Mask. Not showing true feelings. Hide personality, hold on guys. Okay. So mask, not showing true feelings, hide, personify, pretend, delude, gaslighting. So again, the universe or your soul, your inner self is trying to tell you, hindi mo na kailangan itago pa yung nararamdaman mo. magpakatatag ka. You don't have to be fake or makipagplastikan sa mga tao sa paligid mo o sa sarili mo. Maybe you have this, siguro pinapakita mo sa mga tao na you have this true personality. Okay? Sabihin natin na against ka sa pakiramdam mo. Or sabihin natin na against ka sa pangyayari. May mga disagreement dito. Pero sa harap ng mga tao, agree ka. But deep down, disagree ka naman. Nainis ka. Bakit ba ito ganyan? But then again, your spirit self, your soul, kapatid, hindi siya natutuwa sa ginagawa mo. Show your true self, your true color. Pakita mo sa kanila na against ka. Be, straightforward, loyal. Speak the truth. This is the time to speak the truth. Kung hindi ka masaya, then speak the truth. Sabihin mo yung totoo. Kasi meron itong happy face ang pinapakita mo sa mga tao. Yung sarili mo lang niloloko mo. And your soul is trying to tell you, I am not happy. Because you know how it feels like. Alam mo yung nararamdaman na hindi nakakatuwa ito. Naiinis ka. Bakit ang pinapakita mo sa tao, okay lang, masaya ka naman. But not, ang totoo hindi naman. You speak the truth. Okay? Yeah. Walang mali siya, walang mali kung hindi ka masaya sa ginagawa mo. Kung hindi ka masaya sa agreements na ito, whatever it is, even sa trabaho. Kung hindi ka masaya sa trabaho, then find another way. Kasi meron pa, I have been binibigyan kita ng idea to check online, on social media, makipag-communicate ka sa mga kaibigan mo, katrabaho mo, kung may available ba, or may mga listings pa na available or business. Kung hindi ka masaya ngayon, check mo online through social media. Do some research. Huwag mo itago yung nararamdaman mo. Kung hindi ka masaya sa ginagawa mo, find somewhere else, something else. Kasi marami naman diyang opportunity para sa iyo. Na maging masaya ka, na mas maging totoo ka sa nararamdaman mo. Okay? Alright. What else, Spirit Guide Angels? Anong gusto ng spirit self nila, their soul? Anong gusto nilang dapat gawin? Ano ang gusto nilang ipahiwatig na dapat nilang aksyonan ng ating mga viewers? Okay. Freedom. This could be related sa relasyon, marriage. It's not just a marriage, There's like a soul contract. There's a contract. It could be a work-related relationship. Kung hindi ka masaya sa karelasyon mo, free yourself. Kasi meron itong obsession. Maybe you are living into like hell. Whatever you are feeling right now, hindi ka na masaya. Pero na-stuck ka. You're feeling trapped, stranded. Gawin mo tong action. Kasi meron itong you are seeking peace, love. If you guys are not married yet, if you're in a relationship na hindi ka pa kasal, maybe this is the right time to open up. Speak up the truth. Kailangan mo rin ng basbas. Meron kasi ditong kailangan mo rin ng basbas na magpakasal kayo. Meron kasi dito na you are not happy. I mean, speak up. Kung hindi ka masaya sa isang relasyon ito, speak up the truth. Sabihin mo yung totoo. Ilabas mo yung katotohanan kung ano yun nasa puso mo. Kasi meron dito, in a relationship, you and your person, mahal na mahal ninyo ang isa't isa. Yeah. Hindi lahat, okay, I'm also getting that your soul is telling me to tell you, paalala sa iyo, kapatid. Hindi lahat ng karelasyon or in a relationship, marriage, it will be like heaven. Meron ding hell, kapatid. meron ding impyerno moment. It will be up to you. Kasi ito na committed ka na. Kasal ka na, meron to, kasal ka na. Kahit na sabihin natin nakakaramdam ka ng hell ngayon, isipin mo may heaven pa rin. May ups and down. Heaven, hell. Heaven, hell. Part yan ng marriage. You just have a proper communication. Magpakatotoo ka, hindi ka masaya, naiinis ka sa partner mo, speak up the truth. Kasi, mahal na mahal yung isa. You are. Meron kasi ditong parehas na kayong kasado. Ano na kayo Hindi kayo pareho makakawala sa sitwasyong ito. Kung lagi na lang kayo nag-aaway, nagbabangayan, walang mangyayari. Kasi connected pa rin kayo. Kung nagkakasakitan pa rin kayong dalawa, parehas nyo lang sinasaktan sarili ninyo. Mas pairalin nyo na lang ang pagkakaintindihan, ang pagmamahal. Dahil mahal naman nyo ang isa't isa. No? Speak up. At manalangin ka. The universe is helping you. Andyan the universe is helping you to give you an abundance of love, overflowing of love. Yeah, your soul is trying to guide you into this situation. Kasi meron itong you want freedom from this toxic relationship, toxic work. So again, if you want a new work, online, check online. Marami pa doon. Kasi meron itong hindi ka na makakaalis-alis. Alright, Spirit, can you just tell me more about this, the devil? Okay. The Hermit and the Swords. Yeah. Maybe it's time for you to move on, kapatid. The Hermit. Move on. Okay? Move on ka na. And especially if kasado ka sa person mo, it's time to heal. You need to stop, kailangan tigilan mo na yung sarili mo na na-stranded ka sa palaisipin ito. Ang gusto ng spirit soul mo, or your soul, spirit na soul pa, your spirit self, your soul, you need to stop. Stop seeking for justice. No? It's time to heal. Kasi ito the universe is giving you a way para magkaroon ka ng healing. Siguro, gusto mo nang iwanan tong taong ito. Again, sa trabaho, pagdating sa trabaho, may kontrata man, you can still break that contract. There's still possibility na makakahanap ka ng iba. Marami dyan, sabi ng soul mo. Your soul has been giving you an idea. Business, finances, trabaho, especially when you're looking for another chatmate or relationship kasi hindi ka naging masaya sa karelasyon mo. Again, enjoy life, enjoy communicating with the people. Katrabaho, new person, new beginning. Yeah, when it comes to love life, you are free. Okay? Maybe your soul is guiding you to check online. Maybe you will be meeting your soulmate through online chatmate. Kasi meron itong na-obsess na rin Obsessed sa chat, may ka-chatmate dito na obsess. Parang na-stranded ka kasi mahal naman mo itong taong ito. And your soul is trying to tell you, you need to stop that obsession. Love yourself. You need to stop on seeking a true love. Because the universe, pag nakikita ng universe na ready ka na, dyan na darating yung soulmate mo. Diyan na ipapakilala ni universe ang soulmate mo. Okay? Kasi meron itong na-obsess. Na-obsess sa kakachat sa ibang tao. Na-obsess sa, pag may nakabangga lang, ay, siya na soulmate ko. Hindi ganun, kapatid. Let the universe to send you to your person. Or to meet the right person. Friendship, relationship, because deserve mo naman yun. Even sa karelasyon, boyfriend, girlfriend, kung hindi ka na masaya, kung maybe you're dealing with a person na sinungaling, two mask. Yeah. You deserve the truth. Meron kasi itong alam na alam mo yung katotohanan. Maybe someone betrayed you. Alam na alam mo yung totoo. But then again, you need to let go. Time to heal. Kasi kung na-stranded ka pa sa mga pagkakamali, sa mga tao na nag-betray sa'yo, it's time to heal. Yeah. Huwag mong sabihin natin na ex-friend, ex-coworker, or ex-partner na nakita kayo, sinasabi mo na, ay, okay lang naman ako, ay, wala lang yun. But deep down, hindi naman. If you have to speak up, clarity, then you deserve this clarity. You will get this clarity. And for that, makakaroon ka ng peace of mind. Siguro lately, ito yung gumugulo sa isipan mo, na wala kang peace of mind. Parang na-stranded ka sa mga negatibong pag-iisip sa emosyon mo. Kailangan mo nang tanggalin ito. Itong hindi ka pa napag-move on, itong sinusubukan mo makapag-move on. Yeah. Try to focus on something else, different things. Hindi lang focus ka sa toxic relationship, toxic mindset, no? And the universe is telling you that the bottom of the deck, 3 of Cups, lumabas-labas ka ng bahay. Or it's time to cheer up. Makikiparty ka, makikreunion ka sa mga friends mo. Yeah. Kasi siguro, mas focus ka sa sarili mo. Siguro lately, parang you'd rather na mag-isa ka na muna, alone time ka muna. But then again, your soul, yourself is telling you, tanggalin mo muna yung pagiging alone time, Try to go out, meet with friends, communicate with friends. Siguro kasi marami ka nang kinakat off ng mga tao, sa buhay mo. Yeah. Marami ka nang hindi kinakausap sila, kinakausap sa person mo, yung iba sa inyo dito. Yeah. Your soul is telling you, it's time to communicate. You say talking. Hindi na oras na para magmukmuk ka na lang sa bahay nang wala kang ginagawa. It's time to, parang cheer up ka ng soul mo, kapatid. Your own spirit. I'm sorry. It's time to reunite with your friends. To go out with your family members. Enjoy life. Yeah, kasi meron kasi ditong na-stuck sa dilim eh. Na-stuck sa emosyon, parang kasi the more na na-stranded ka sa palaisipang hindi maganda, walang pagbabago. Mas naapektuhan yung sarili mo, yung katawan mo, yung emosyon mo. Kasi na-stranded ka sa mga toxic mindset. But then again, your soul is telling you, change that pattern, have some clarity, subukan mong lumabas, ibalik yung happy looks, cheer up ka ng soul mo, your own spirit. Yeah. Okay? Tama na yung tulog ng tulog. Tama na yung natatago ka sa dilim. It's time to go out. Enjoy life. Okay? Spend time with the family. Kailangan mo day off. Maglagay ka ng oras pamilya mo. Yeah. And pay attention sa iyong panaginip because your soul is trying to communicate with you through through your dreams, kapatid. Yeah. Okay? Yeah. You need to continue communicating with your friends, loved ones. Huwag mong i-shut down ang sarili mo. Okay? Huwag mong, hindi pwede magtago ka na lang palagi. Hindi pwede na, ganyan ka na lang palagi, yung parang matamlay. Cheer up ka ng sarili mong kaluluwa. Your own self, your soul. Yeah? Hindi lang through phone ka na lang palagi, hindi na yan healthy. Lumabas ka. Communicate with your friends, with your family, co-workers, physically, not just through social media. Hindi lang yung nakatago ka lang dyan. Lumabas-labas ka rin. Kasi may time ka naman. Hindi yung wala kang time kasi busy ka. No. Hindi siya normal. No? Yung sinasabi mong busy ka palagi. Okay? So, final advice na tayo. So again, that's the message from your soul, your own self. Pay attention at sana nakarelate kayo or nakaresonate kayo sa reading na ito. So, let's get the message from your spirit team. Spirit guides, angels, ano ang advice niyo sa ating mga viewers? Okay. Let's get this. Joy. See? It's time to celebrate, communicate, no? Joy is the highest energy of all. It's the magical sense that everything is possible. Joy springs from appreciating the gifts within each moment. Joy allows you to attract and create your present and future moments at their highest possible levels. Yeah, so the more na pinapakita mo yung tuwa mo, yung paging masayahan mo, na-attract yung abundance. You know, happy moments, natatanggal yung mga negatibong toxic mindset, toxic people. Mas nababago yung appearance mo. Okay? So, you need to appreciate the surroundings. Hindi yung pwede nakatago ka lang. Especially sa social media ka lang palagi, sa cellphone lang. You need to communicate with your friends physically and family members, katrabaho kung sino man ito. Okay? Whatever you do, ikaw lang nakakaalam mga kapatid. Okay, so hanggang dito na mga kapatid. Sana nakaresonate kayo. I love you guys at maraming salamat po sa pagtangkilik nyo dito sa aking mga tarot reading videos. Na-appreciate ko po kayo dito. I love you guys and see you guys next time. Bye!